Good morning, guys. Welcome to Key West. I'm Pascal,
I'm Claudia.
and today we're going to be showing you what it's like to live in Key West, Florida. We're going to give you a little tour to our house. The reason why we speak English is we are from Switzerland, though, but however, most of our viewers, including some of the American friends, don't speak Swiss German at all. So let's keep it with English. So I apologize for my mistake if I don't use some of the right words. I'll do my best. Okay? So here is our entrance to the house. Claudia is gonna just open the door. We have the parking here on the side for the car. And the little porch here where we can leave the bikes. And we're getting into the kitchen and the main room with the dining table. It's really a great kitchen, it's lots of space. And I love the floor, the tiles. And there's Claudia's favorite machine here in the back. Garbage, not so much interesting. A little golf cart here, it's covered up because of the rain. Yeah, it's really nice. Everything you need is here. You can cook. There's a refrigerator, with fresh ice and stuff. On the side, we are getting into the bedrooms for guests. This is a guest bedroom. So my daughter is coming to visit us any minute. There's also a wardrobe, we can put the stuff in. Clothes. And, in case, you have kids visiting, which we don't have. Children and stuff. Not yet. You never know. This is the bathroom. It's really neat. It's all nicely done. It's all new.
Storage.
Yeah. It's the storage room, which is not interesting to show. Ta-da! It's the living room. Got the TV set here. A little workplace, office stuff, and this is the master bedroom. Yep. That's our bedroom with our own bathroom. Also relatively new. Actually, it's brand new. You can say that. Showers. Lots of space. Again, storage for our clothes. Yep, now we're going to show you the really nice stuff. Yeah. So what do you say? You love it here? Well, you make sure you want to make your wife happy. This is, we have a little outdoor shower here in the back, which is here. It's a nice garden. It's all lit up nicely in the evening. The pool is nicely heated to 85, just what we need. We can do a nice swim in the morning after our coffee, of course. Yep. This is the place. Hope you guys like it as much as we do. So this is the kind of typical house, I would say, in Key West. I'm going to tell you the cost of that house in a second. Oh yeah, we forgot the laundry room. I'm glad Claudia pointed me to that one, which is important, you know, I guess for the girls it's more important than for us guys. It's the laundry. We can do the laundry here. Alright. Hope you did like our little tour. In our little beautiful house. So a house like that would probably cost you minimum of $1 million US. It goes today. It probably goes up to like 1.2, 1.5 easily because it's the market is really not. It's not a buyer's market right now. It's a seller's market. And yeah. Well, I hope you liked the tour and showing the place of our house. And thanks for watching, guys.